How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can save and share replays in OSU. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually finish a level right here. So in my case, I'm going to finish this very quick level right here. So I'm just going to play through the level entirely. And after a couple of seconds, this level will then get saved as a replay. So it's going to be this one. I've finished this level previously, so it's going to be the other attempts that I have. But generally, after that, you just want to navigate through that specific level, because from there, you will now have records. Now in this way, you want to click on the record that you want to watch. So let's say this one. So let's click on it. And in here, you have the ability to watch the replay itself. So if you go ahead and click on it, you will be able to see that right here. And if you want to simply share this with others, you want to look for the file location of this specific replay. So once again, navigate back to the main menu, right click on it, click on the export option. And from there, you then have to click on the export button, and then it will be exported on the export folder on your OSU installation path. So it's going to be this one. Right now it's OSU replay. You could just go ahead and share this with your friends, and from there you should be good to go. They could also simply click on it, and then the replay will be imported onto their gameplay. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.